The ZR1X front wheel arrives. Carbon ceramic rotor, 6-piston caliper, forged rim. Electronic limited slip differential. Machined aluminum casing, active torque vectoring inside. The LT7 twin-turbo V8 block. Cross-bolted mains, hybrid aluminum iron casting. Complete ZR1X wireframe. Front engine, rear drive. Blueprint rotates 360 degrees. Front splitter angles down. Carbon fiber. Markers show key chassis mounting points. Twin disc clutch. Carbon drive shaft. Rear transaxle forms continuous driveline. Carbon monocoque tub. Orange crash structure. Bolt holes ready for suspension. Double wishbone front suspension. Pushrod actuates coilover damper assembly. Electric power steering rack. 14.1 ratio. Tie rods connect uprights. Upright exploded. 5 layers. Aluminum body, bearing, ABS, caliper mount, tie rod joint. Internal brake cooling passage. Double row angular contact bearing. Red airflow shown. 1.5 G cornering load. Pushrod compresses. Steering responds elastically. 3.2 kilograms. 6,500 Newton peak load. 55 millimeter bearing. 15.5-inch carbon ceramic rotor. 6-piston monoblock caliper in orange. 6 titanium pistons. Carbon composite pads. 2-piece caliper body design. Internal curved cooling vanes. Floating bobbins allow thermal expansion. Air swirls outward. 600 degrees Celsius rotor temperature. ABS pulse simulation. Consistent clamping force. 394 millimeter rotor. 29 meter braking distance. 0.55 mu. LT7 engine, fully dressed. Twin 76mm turbos, carbon intake manifold. Exploded LT7. 8 forged pistons, cross-bolted mains, titanium connecting rods, plasma transferred wire arc liner, 3-ring pack, oil squirters cool piston underside. 4-stroke cycle simulated. Intake, compression, power, exhaust. 7,000 RPM redline. 5.5 liters, 1064 horsepower, 828 pound-feet torque. 16 injectors total, 8 direct, 8 port. Dual in-tank fuel pumps. 350 bar direct injection. 6-hole nozzle, cam-driven high-pressure pump. Direct injection hollow cone. Port injection onto valve. Stratified charge preparation. 350 bar maximum pressure. 2,000 cc per minute flow. 45 liters per 100 at full load. Equal length headers. High flow catalytic converters. Active exhaust valves. Quad outlets. 600 cells per square inch. Platinum coating. Lambda sensor cross-section shown. Active exhaust valve. Closed for quiet, open for full power. Muffled to aggressive. 980 degrees Celsius max, 2.5 psi back pressure. Valve opens at 3,500 RPM. 8-speed dual clutch transaxle. Magnesium case. 2 wet clutch packs. Odd and even gear shafts. 8 forward gears. Electronic limited slip differential attached. Wet clutches oil-cooled. Continuous fluid flow. ELSD uses electromagnetic actuation. 80 millisecond shift time, no torque interruption. ELSD locks progressively with steering. First gear 2.9. 8th gear 0.5. Final drive 3.5. 5-link rear suspension. Forged aluminum links, orange bushings. Half shafts from ELSD. Complete rolling chassis, every system visible. Ghost body shell shows Corvette shape. Full operation sequence. Engine fire, turbo spool, shift, squat, brake glow. Car moves. Airflow simulation. 300 kilo front downforce. 400 rear. Rear wing deploys. Disassembly starts. Exhaust lifts. Fuel system rises. Transaxle unbolts and floats away. Engine reassembles in reverse. Piston seat. Heads lower. Suspensions unbolt simultaneously. Final parts vanish. Splitter, rack, brakes, uprights. Chassis tub fades to nothing. Chevrolet Corvette ZR1X. Engineering excellence. Every part purposeful. Built, operated, explained. ZR1X. Precision in every component.